We got here we got I had a bit of a problem. Eagle the builder made an absolutely atrocious job on the balcony, and so later on it basically rotted and nearly fell down. When we started to repair it, as we cut it, pieces were just falling out of it, absolutely rotten. That main beam with the lights on, in actual fact, is not that good, so we put an extra 20 by 5 beam underneath it, and with extra columns, because originally she only had the 2 metal columns at the ends, and she needed the 2 extra columns in the middle. So even if it gives up, we can actually replace it. So we've got reduced the side beams were 20 by 20. The front beam was 20 by 20, which was nearly 3 meters out from the wall. So you can imagine, with that main beam with the lights on, basically 1 meter from the wall, and then you've got the same beam hanging on the end on smaller wood without any support. You can imagine what it was doing to the house. And it's twisted the house, and the doors to that top bedroom, the doors to the veranda don't actually open and close properly now. So we've decided we're going to put 2 columns out in the ground. It's this dog area at the moment, that's why it's got a fence. We've got 2 young crazy dogs that can jump nearly 2 meters, so we've got a high fence to keep them in. But all this ground will be concreted, and we'll have columns, 2 columns, actually holding out the end of the balcony as well. So we've made it more secure to the wall. We've added columns at the back end, at the wall end, and also out 1 meter out on that main beam. Looks a little bit strange, but once we finish it'll be okay, because we'll create little dwarf walls and stuff that you can put your pina colada or your beer on. So yeah, so we're getting there. That's it's going to be a finish up with a 5 meter long, 3 meter wide balcony, so it's good for a few parties. Okay.